Dino's Workshop.
Hey up, just a short video here, another sign that I'm making, and it's for a mate of mine who's sort of Star Wars mad, and he's got this games room that's sort of a lot of Star Wars stuff in there, and anyway, he's put a dartboard up and he wanted this sign making to put at the beginning of the hockey. This is just a piece of 10mm MDF board, painted black, with the logo etched on, and then what I ended up doing is spraying it with like a lacquer just to kind of get it sealed in.